Yeah, guys, good morning. This morning, guys, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make some bad porridge, guys. Yeah, bad porridge. Green plantain and cornmeal, guys. Believe that. Yeah, guys, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna grate one of my plantain in the skin. You understand what I did? I'm gonna peel the other two, guys. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna boil it with the cornmeal. Overs. Yeah, guys, be a badness in the kitchen. Some bad plantain porridge, plantain and cornmeal, guys. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I go on in I pack the grate out me plantain. As you can see how the plantain look, guys. Dark, you see dark and white. So the one with the dark color are the plantain with the skin. You understand what I did? And the one with the white color are the one with me peel. So guys, me peel two of the plantain and grate one in the skin, guys. So you don't know the badness come. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so what am I gonna do now, guys? I'm gonna mix my cornmeal and chew in the pot, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna mix my cornmeal now and chew it. I'm gonna see what go on. See plant and boil out. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so watch what go on in the kitchen. We drop on two bay leaf in it said way, guys. So you don't know. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Yeah, guys, look for my cornmeal and my plant, my green plant, guys. Green plant and cornmeal, guys. Be a badness. Guys, me soon come back, guys. Yeah, soon come back. Be a badness in the kitchen now. Guys, want to try that one, yeah. The green plant and the cornmeal, guys. Yeah, guys, so we have some mixed spice. I don't know mixed spice, everything in it. You understand how I did, so I'm gonna show some in my porridge. Guys, guess I may not have the vanilla, but I know nothing that still overs. Yeah, guys, so my milk, the overs. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna use some sugar too. You don't know the badness. Don't know the badness. Come down, guys. Be a badness. Yeah, guys, so this is the finishing look on the green plantain and cornmeal porridge, guys. Be a badness, guys. I'm out.